Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to reset Fisher and Paykel fridge. So in order to reset it, you just have to simply follow this step in which you just have to unplug your appliance for 5 minutes, and what this will do is it will hard reset your fridge. So you just have to simply do it for 5 minutes, and then you just have to check whether the problem that you are facing is fixed or not. If the problem still persists, then what I would recommend you doing is to simply come to fisherpaykel.com website, and over here you just have to simply hover over to the top right hand corner of the screen of help and support and click on the contact us option. Then you will be landed on this page where they are going to give you some of the methods with the help of which you can directly contact them. So you just have to simply contact them and ask them for the solution of your problem, and they are going to help you in this regard. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.